What's up, everyone? I hope you're all having a fantastic day and feeling ready to learn something new about your health and wellness. It's your favorite doctor, back with another video to help you live your happiest, healthiest life. Today, we're focusing on something that can boost your confidence and make a big difference in your daily interactions: your smile. I get a lot of questions about dental health, especially about achieving a brighter smile affordably. Many people want to know if there are ways to get whiter teeth without spending a fortune at the dentist or using harsh chemicals. A confident smile can change how you feel and interact with the world, but professional treatments can be costly. Not everyone has the time or budget for in-office whitening, and that's totally understandable. Today, we're diving into how you can naturally whiten your teeth at home. There are actually several simple, effective methods you can try using things you probably already have around the house. We'll explore popular methods and separate fact from fiction with real science. I'll explain what actually works, what's just a myth, and why some trends might do more harm than good. These methods use items you might already have in your kitchen, making them accessible and affordable. From baking soda to coconut oil, you'll be surprised at what you can use to brighten your smile. Safety is my top priority, so we'll discuss how to do these methods correctly to avoid damage. I'll share tips on how to protect your enamel and gums while still getting great results. We'll cover 5 techniques, breaking down steps and precautions. I'll walk you through each one, so you know exactly what to do and what to watch out for. These are safe, easy, and affordable methods when done right. So let's get into it and brighten up those smiles together. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to start your own journey to a whiter, healthier smile right at home. Let's start with a classic and effective home remedy for teeth whitening: the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste. This simple combination has been trusted for years by people looking for a brighter smile without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Baking soda acts as a gentle, natural scrub for your teeth, helping to remove surface stains caused by everyday culprits like coffee, tea, and red wine. Its mild abrasiveness polishes the enamel, making your teeth look cleaner and feel smoother. Hydrogen peroxide, on the other hand, is a natural bleaching agent. When applied, it releases oxygen radicals that break down and lift away stubborn stain molecules, helping to whiten your teeth beyond just the surface. When you combine these two ingredients, they work together to both scrub and lighten your teeth, giving you a noticeably brighter smile over time. To make the paste, simply mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with just enough 3% hydrogen peroxide to form a thick, spreadable paste. Make sure the mixture isn't too runny or too dry for best results. Apply the paste to your toothbrush and brush your teeth gently for 1 to 2 minutes, making sure to reach all visible surfaces. Avoid scrubbing too hard to protect your enamel. Use this homemade paste 2 to 3 times a week for best results. But remember, it should not replace your regular toothpaste. Consistency is key, but moderation is important to avoid sensitivity. After brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water to remove all residue and ensure your mouth feels fresh and clean. Next is oil pulling with coconut oil, an ancient Ayurvedic practice. Swishing oil in your mouth pulls out bacteria and toxins, reducing plaque and brightening teeth. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, offering antimicrobial benefits for gum health. Swish 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for 10 to 15 minutes, then spit it into a trash can. Rinse with warm water and brush your teeth as usual. While not a dramatic whitener, it improves oral hygiene for a healthier smile. You've seen it on social media: black teeth followed by a white smile. Activated charcoal is a porous black powder that binds to surface stains and toxins. It acts as a magnet for stains, offering immediate but temporary results. Wet your toothbrush, dip it in charcoal powder and brush gently for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly to remove all black particles. Limit use to once or twice a week to avoid enamel damage. Let's talk about a delicious and easy whitening method: eating crunchy fruits and vegetables. Foods like apples, carrots, and celery act as natural toothbrushes, gently scrubbing teeth and dislodging stains as you chew. They also increase saliva production, which helps wash away food particles and neutralizes acids in your mouth. While the effects aren't dramatic, these foods prevent new stains and help maintain your natural brightness. Incorporate these foods into your daily diet for a simple, healthy habit that benefits both your oral and overall health. Our final method is apple cider vinegar, known for its health benefits. Acetic acid in ACV breaks down plaque and surface stains. However, it's an acid and can damage enamel if used improperly. Dilute ACV with water, 1 part ACV to 3 or 4 parts water. Swish for 20 to 30 seconds, then rinse with water. Wait 30 minutes before brushing to protect softened enamel. Approach this method with caution due to potential risks. There you have it, 5 natural methods for whitening your teeth at home. These simple and effective techniques can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. These methods can remove surface stains and improve oral hygiene. Regular use can lead to a brighter smile and healthier gums. Use them in moderation and listen to your body. Overuse can lead to sensitivity, so it's important to find a balance that works for you. Protecting your enamel is crucial, so consult your dentist if unsure. They can provide personalized advice and ensure you're on the right track. Thank you for watching and being part of this community. Your support means a lot to us, and we hope you found these tips useful. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Your engagement helps us create more content that benefits everyone. Stay happy and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and keep smiling.